guys, if you want to download CLEO sheet code and menu for GTA San Andreas, you're in the right place. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more GTA San Andreas tutorials. So on this link CLEO node for GTA San Andreas, click on San Andreas claim, click here, you get to this link. So you need to watch the video to successfully open your download link for CLEO mode. Just get the link to get the video to play, and we'll get back to it when the link is successfully generated. And now let's click on open download link, and here click on the create download link to start downloading your CLEO and GTA San Andreas. Click on download. After that, extract the downloaded RAR files to your GTA San Andreas game location. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a